Now over here to the bottom left-hand corner, it's tracking these clicks and it's also giving me credits. Now, as you can see right now, today I just have one click, but watch what happens by clicking on the button right here. Now that link took me to this member's website where they're advertising how they made $20,000 in 1 month. But as you can see back down here below, it has given me another click and it's going to add me more credits. Now to do this, it's absolutely free. It's absolutely free to create your Lead Sleep account and to view the ads so you can start earning the credits. Once you have enough credits, all you have to do is go back into your account, click under this, under advertising, post credit ads for free, and it's going to take you right here where you can start building your own ad. Inside, you can add your URL, or in this case, your affiliate offer or your affiliate link or your landing page, a catchy title. You can add text and images, and you can put it in whatever category for your target audience. Once you're done, all you have to do is save it and submit it by clicking this button, and then your ad is going to be placed inside the website for all its current members to view and see as well. And as you can see, Lead Sleep gets hundreds of thousands of visitors each and every single month, with that number increasing each day. Now to get access to leadsleep.com for absolutely free, all you have to do is click the link below this video. It's going to give you 100% free access to leadsleep.com so you can start earning credits and posting your ads to generate targeted traffic to your affiliate offers. Now number 4 on my list is going to be a website called WorldProfit.com. Now WorldProfit has been in the industry for many years and they have a strong reputation for providing support and resources to their members. Just like Lead Sleep, they offer a range of products and services designed to help individuals build and grow their online businesses, which include web hosting, traffic generation tools, lead generation systems, and training programs. Now to get started with WorldProfit.com, you can join for absolutely free by clicking on the link down below this YouTube video, and that'll bring you to this website, and all you have to do is click on Join Free. Now once you create your free account with WorldProfit.com, you'll see in your dashboard you're able to do free advertising. All you will have to do is come down to the main menu and click free classified ads, and then you'll see right here it says place ads for absolutely free. Click on that link, and then that link is going to take you into the ad editor and builder. Now, similar to Lead Sleep, you can also earn credits by posting your ads, but when you create your new account, they're going to give you credits for absolutely free to get started. Now, I'm not going to go super deep into how to create an ad with WorldProfit.com because I've already done a video on that. Now on your screen, you should see the video popping up. I'll also leave a link below for you to check it out.